Today, we will explore the mysterious story of Pandora, an emblematic figure of the double-edged sword that is curiosity. Her story intertwines with the core of human inquiry and the perils of the unknown. In Greek mythology, Pandora was no ordinary mortal. Crafted by Hephaestus, the god of fire and craftsmanship, she was the first woman endowed with gifts from the gods. Aphrodite bestowed upon her deep emotion, while Hermes granted her eloquence and language. Athena clothed her in exquisite garments, adding finesse and grace to her form. Hermes named her Pandora, meaning all gifted, for she embodied the virtues and skills of the gods. Zeus, the king of gods, presented Pandora with two pivotal gifts. The first was an insatiable curiosity, a trait that would define her existence. The second item is an elaborately decorated box, which is quite heavy and tightly sealed, harboring secrets not meant for mortal eyes. Zeus has given clear instructions that the box must be kept closed. On Earth, Pandora encountered Epimetheus, a titan charged with populating the world with animals. In him, she found a kindred spirit, yet her curiosity about the box grew into an obsession. Whispers and movements seemed to emanate from within, igniting her desire to unveil its contents. The fateful day arrived when Pandora could resist no longer. She opened the box in a moment of overwhelming curiosity, unleashing a torrent of evils upon humanity, diseases, sorrows, and misfortunes. Amidst her despair, Pandora noticed a gentle sound from the box. Braving a second glance, she discovered Hope, a luminous spirit which took flight, offering a glimmer of solace amidst the chaos. Pandora's act had irrevocably changed the world, but Hope remained ever resilient. If you enjoyed this journey into Greek mythology, like, share, and subscribe.